All right, guys, welcome back to another channel. Nope, it's a video on my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Candace the Edgy, and today I'm going to show you 3 ways to make tofu into vegan cheese. Just because I went vegan doesn't mean that I don't love cheese. I've always loved cheese. I grew up eating cheese. I have a European background, so like cheese was like an actual like food group, like an actual whole meal of just like cheese. There's a lot of really great cheeses out there now that you can buy that are vegan, but that wasn't always the case. And a lot of the store-bought vegan cheeses that you can buy, I mean, they're not readily available. If you do find them, they can be fairly expensive. So I wanted to see if I could take something that we all have access to and turn it into cheese. I chose tofu for this because most people have access to it. A lot of people have a nut allergy, and a lot of the vegan cheeses that you can buy out there are made out of nuts. So I wanted to give you guys another option. I'm going to show you guys how to make a tofu feta, tofu nacho cheese, a tofu nacho, am I okay? A tofu nacho cheese, and also a tofu mozzarella. If you guys have any recipe requests of things you'd like me to have, leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into it. First thing I'm going to do is make kind of the cheesy base for this nacho cheese. So this is like a nacho cheese dip, or like a queso fundido, if you will. So you can dip tortillas in, or you can even use it as the cheese if you're making vegan nachos. It makes a really nice cheese. You don't have to worry if it melts because it's already melted. Yay. This is a interesting take on my cheese sauce recipe that I mean, you guys have been making for years. I've been making for years. We are going to start with just some silken tofu. So instead of potato or nuts, the base is going to be tofu. I also have 1 boiled carrot. Of course, we have some nutritional yeast, mustard powder, garlic powder, onion salt. And for that tang that cheese has, we are going to use both apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. To give it a nice like orange color along with the carrot, and to give it that like kind of like picante flavor, this thing again. I'm going to also be adding a chili powder and a paprika powder. I'm going to heat up some vegan butter, or you can use oil as well, whatever you have access to, just something that you can saute some veggies with. I'm going to throw some shallots in there, as well as a chopped jalapeno. Now, depending on how spicy you want your, let's call it a queso fundido, you can use anywhere between like half of a jalapeno to a whole jalapeno, depending on how spicy it is. We do have some chili powder in there, like in the base as well. So you can definitely play this by ear. I'm going to add a pinch of salt to that as well. And I'm going to cook that until it's fragrant and translucent. If you find that your cheese is a bit too thick while you're trying to blend it, you can always add a little tiny bit of soy milk just to help it along. We are going to add the cheese sauce directly into the pan and mix it all together until it's heated through and thickened up a little bit. All right, friends, the second cheese that we are making is a feta. Now, this is the feta inspired by Virtuous Pie. They have one of the best fetas I have tried. This is kind of like my take on their recipe. So we have some tofu here. We have coconut oil, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, onion salt, miso, and nutritional yeast. We're going to throw all of that into the blender. We are going to take this guy and put it into a bowl and stick it into the fridge. Now, you want it to sit for a minimum 4 hours, but overnight is definitely best. I made one last night because I wanted you to see it. Don't mind the mess. And it looks like this. So good. Let's make cheese number 3, which is a mozzarella. All right, friends, cheese number 3 is a mozzarella. Again, we have tofu. Add it to, again, a blender. Then we have soy milk, garlic powder, salt, nutritional yeast. Again, these are pretty much the same recipes, just in different orders with different amounts and different presentation styles. And then I have tapioca starch. All right, let's blend that up. Hi, we're back over here at the stove. All right, I am heating up the, I guess we'll call it cheese mixture over medium-high heat, stirring constantly. It's going to start thickening up and turning into kind of like a ball paste situation. So this will take about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. All right, I'm gonna throw this into a bowl. I mean, you can use this immediately like this on like pizza or whatever. We're gonna let this cool down a little bit and then we're going to, this is a salt solution or a brine. So this is just water and dissolved salt. We're going to make little balls and throw them in here until they cool. And then you have like more of like a fresh mozzarella style. And also this is just like a nice way to store your mozzarella. All right, so I'm just wetting my hands and just trying as best as I can to make them into balls. They kind of flail out once you put them in the brine, but do it as best as you can. Or you can just do one really big ball, or you can do a bunch of tiny ones like little bocconcinis. And plop. And let them cool down in the water. You probably want them to firm up in the fridge for about 4 hours, or you can use it on a pizza right away. So I put this cheese onto the pizza, the mozzarella, so that you can kind of see it in action. So we have the mozzarella, we have the feta, and we have the nacho cheese. I'm gonna go in for the pizza first because delish, we love pizza. It's such a creamy mozzarella. Then we have the feta. This is really good on like a Greek salad or spanakopita. It's very nice in there too. This shit is like, it's a perfect amount of briny and salty. And again, most people when they think of vegan cheese, they think like nuts. And nuts can be expensive. And beef, there's a lot of nut allergies out there. So tofu, just, it's a nice alternative. And it's one of the things that people don't really think to use to turn into like dips and sauces and cheeses and things. And it's been around forever and it's readily available and it just makes everything a lot easier. But can we talk about nacho cheese dip? It's like a little hint of spice too. Let me know in the comment section. Other foods you want me to turn into other foods? This is kind of what this has become. Also, let me know which one of these you're most excited to try. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I make new videos every Tuesday and Thursdays, 4 p.m. And if you love cheese and vegan cheese, give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.